Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah the Luxe Angel, and today is a very special unboxing. Oh my gosh. This unboxing is special because this is a wish list item of mine. And when I say wish list, I don't mean, oh, I wanted this for some time. I mean, I have an LV account, I have an LV wish list, and this has literally been on my Louis Vuitton wish list in the Louis Vuitton app for a very long time. But I put other things before it, but now I finally got it. So it's a very special unboxing. I am praying, Lord Jesus, let everything be right with this. May they be perfect. And this is a true unboxing, so that's why I'm just like, you can hear the excitement and nervousness in my voice. But let's get right into it. And you'll have to forgive me because I am filming from such a strange angle right now because this box is huge. So I'm not filming in my normal location. Okay. This might just be like the largest Louis Vuitton box that I've had. All right, here we go. So of course, I always leave a message to myself from the universe. And there it is. Yes, give me my propers. You wouldn't even know because Spirit had this package on the way, honey. All right, let me get a picture of this really quickly. And thank you so much for allowing me to take a picture for my blog, theluxeangel.com. And now we're going to get right into this unboxing. All right, again, bear with me because I'm coming from a new angle and I don't know how this is looking right now. Okay, so, okay, now you see what kind of box this is. It's a pull-out box, so I think you know what this is. Sorry for shaking the camera. Again, new angle. Work with me, people. All right, so here we go. Yes, there are 2 dust bags. So these are shoes. Here we go. Moment of truth. And what are the names of these? They're already poking out. So if you know, then you know. So these are the Louis Vuitton Drops Flat Half Boot. And they have been on my wish list forever. It's the Louis Vuitton Drops Flat Half Boot. They are rain boots. They are 100% waterproof rain boots. And they have the Louis Vuitton monogram embossed on them. They are made of rubber. I think it's 100% rubber. But they are not just a fashion statement. They are practical. This is like Louis Vuitton's version of wellies. So they are 100% waterproof. Okay, so we've got some packaging on the inside. The down there, I don't think you can see it because I'm not sure the light can pick it up, but it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and these are made in Italy. Now just look at the bottom of these boots. Like, can you imagine if you're walking through snow, you're leaving behind the Louis Vuitton floor? Like, so pretty. All these little Louis symbols you'll be leaving behind in the snow. But be careful, okay? You don't want to leave a trail to where the Louis shoes are going. But these are so cute. And under there it says made in Italy, all fancy like, with the Louis Vuitton in the little symbol there. But yeah, aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, and this heel is really thick and sturdy. Seems like really good quality. So that's one boot. Let's get the other one out. Okay, and that is a better view. But look at that. If any of you guys have the Louis Vuitton Empreinte leather, it's gonna look so good with these. And again, these are practical, not just a fashion statement. They are 100% waterproof. And I was looking at reviews of them on YouTube, and this woman said that she had been in water like very, very high, and they were completely waterproof. So dust, because these are, you know, really, really smooth rubber, and so they have attracted a lot of dust, even being in a dust bag. So I think that's funny. But yep, here they are. The embossing is really nice and deep. All right, so I really hope these fit because they're gorgeous. Let's take out all the packaging. Okay, so these are the Louis Vuitton Drops Flat Half Boot, and I paid $813.20 for them with tax. They were going for $760 on the website as of now. There is a price increase soon to come, I hear, but right now they're listed at $760 US dollars, that is. And I think they're lovely, and I'm gonna go try these on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, have a gorgeous day. Bye.